Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Xreview, the channel where we dive deep into all sorts of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we've got something really exciting to unbox and review. It's the TS20A, a pen-type multimeter, fresh from AliExpress. Let's not waste any time and get straight into it. And before that, feel free to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Here's the package it came in. As you can see, it's nicely packed and ready to be opened. Now, let's see what's inside. Alright, first up, we've got the multimeter itself. Look at that sleek design. It's compact and easy to hold, perfect for all your electrical testing needs. Next, we've got the manual. Always handy to have a guide to help us navigate through all the features. And here are the probes and other accessories. Everything seems to be neatly organized. Now, let's take a look at the specs. It's got 4,000 counts, runs on 2 AAA batteries, and offers stable performance with high precision readings. Plus, it's got overload protection for added safety. Now let's put it all together. The case is sturdy and well-built, providing protection for our multimeter when we're on the go. Our TS20A, a pen-type multimeter, is all set up and ready to go. First off, we've got the high-precision voltage detection. This thing is spot on when it comes to measuring voltage, making it perfect for all sorts of electrical work. Next, we've got the non-contact testing feature. This is a game changer, folks. No more worrying about getting shocked while testing, thanks to this handy feature. Now, let's talk about the wide range of testing capabilities. From voltage and capacitance to resistance and ohm, this multimeter can do it all. And check out this digital display. It's clear and easy to read, making it simple to interpret the test readings. In addition to all that, we've got some bonus features like phase sequence detection, NCV induction detection, and ambient temperature detection. Talk about versatility. So, there you have it, folks. The TS20A, a pen-type multimeter from AliExpress. It's compact, versatile, and perfect for all your electrical testing needs. If you like this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Xreview for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.